What's up, guys? We got a 2019 Ford F150 here. Today getting a 7-inch ReadyLift, 37-inch tires, 24 by 12-inch TIS Off-Road wheels. This is my first 7-inch ReadyLift kit. This is our first at No Limit 7-inch ReadyLift kit. So here we go. This customer came in last year, stock truck, just bought it at the dealership and wanted a 2-inch level kit with, we got some RidgeGrapplers back there on his factory wheels. And we did that last year. He wanted to take it up a notch. Well, this is like 5 notches. This is a 7-inch kit, wide wheels, oversized tires. We're gonna be losing the crash bars. It looks like he did some at-home trimming here, but we're gonna clean all that up. And the biggest difference between this kit and say like a rough country or a zone kit, which is what we predominantly sell on these F-150s, is the steering rack is getting relocated to the drop brackets. So they do that for FMVSS certification to make sure that it's as stable as can be. And this is the only 7-inch kit out there that has that certification. So this guy wanted everything done right, so we're gonna do it. Customer came in last year, this is what we did. This is a rough country 2-inch level spacer. This is just basically the easiest way you can get 33s on this truck. So we're losing that and we're gaining this. This is a 7-inch ReadyLift spacer. So this part will come off, this part will go in its place. The drop brackets will make sure that everything's at the factory ride angle pretty much. And hopefully it'll ride a lot better and fit the tires and wheels that he wants. That's the point. So far I had to cut the frame, get the differential out, then I took the steering rack out, recut the frame at the exact point I need it. I had to cut this upper part, this upper differential mount, and now I'm gonna recheck my instructions, see what I have to do for this power steering intermediate shaft support bracket. That's where I'm going now.
So is this the same process as, you know, like a Toyota or?
Sort of, kind of. Every make and model has its quirks. This one, I just need to be right on point with this Heim joint that goes into the differential bracket. Like they give you an exact measurement. 1 3/4 inch, it has to be. So, check all that stuff out.
All right.
Alright, motherfucker, let's flip this motherfucker dip up, get it in there and do some damage.
So Owen's just literally putting this bolt through for you and getting the stand on it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
And I'm just getting my bolt through. And then the back side goes in through the cross.
I'm ready.
So,
wait, if I get this in there, do I need to put the stand under still?
yeah, because it's going to be back heavy. It's going to want to tilt towards the back.
Okay. Ready, we go. Yeah, buddy! Watch your head on this.
Lightweight. What?
There you go. Whack it. Whack it off. Good job.
Don't put that on there yet. Alright. Thank you. That's it in this hole.
Okay, for now. Good job.
Nice.
Good job, everyone.
We're gonna put Tony's OnlyFans right here.
Before I left yesterday, we got the differential in and I got the rear cross member up just so I make sure everything's secure. Came in today, got the front cross member up, Got the Heim joint to the steering extension all worked out, figured out, and got the steering rack back in. Now I got the control arms in. I'm gonna now tighten everything, all my subframe bolts, my control arm bolt, not my subframe bolts, my differential bolts. I'm not gonna tighten my control arm bolts until I'm on the ground and they're loaded, but definitely gonna be done today. So let's get rolling. If you guys like this video, you should consider. If you guys like this video, you should consider.
Since Ryan couldn't say it right any of the times he tried, if you like this video, you should consider subscribing.
Just wrapped up the front, moving on to the rear. Pretty simple back here. It's only gonna take a couple minutes. Literally just a lift block, a new Bilstein 5100, and a drop bracket for this these brake lines here. That's it. So we'll be wrapping this one up shortly.
Hey guys, if you like this video, you should subscribe.
We're gonna get this thing road tested, checked out, make sure everything's good, and then Jason here is gonna get you some pictures.